What's going on, guys? Mike Bro over at All-Star. Did you miss me? Right here, this is the 2020 all-new Ford Explorer. Some of the great things you're getting with this, now, I mean, I'm a big guy. You saw me get out of this. Best-in-class space of all the new 2020s coming out. So why would you want to go and penalize yourself with another vehicle that's less than this? Some of the great things you're getting with this that is standard, by the way, your 8-inch screen, productivity screen. Everything's on there. Captain's chair's on there. This is going to be great for fun season. That's right, fun season. Football season, whether you're an LSU fan, a Southern fan, just a football fan. You get great things with this. Your intelligent cruise control, the only one out there. You're able to read the speed signs. So if you're traveling to go see Southern versus Grambling or LSU versus Alabama, you're now safe in your own vehicle. So what's taking you so long to come on down here to Ford Prairieville? Why don't you just come on down here to All-Star Ford Prairieville So why don't you come on down here to All-Star Ford Prairieville and catch this good deal?